How to make money on Investopedia. Go to investopedia.com/simulator and sign up for a free account. You'll get $100,000 in virtual cash to trade real stocks and ETFs with real-time prices. You can learn how to read stocks charts, practice technical versus fundamental analysis, test strategies, build your skills risk-free, which prepare you for real money investing on platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or eToro. Use Investopedia Learning Center and Term Dictionary to understand financial terms, investing strategies, and trading psychology. When you are ready, you can apply these skills on real exchange or freelance as a financial writer or analyst. Some people even use this Investopedia simulator stats to build a portfolio resume. Once you are confident, you can make money by trading real stocks, starting a blog or YouTube channel teaching finance, freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, applying for finance internship or jobs. Investopedia is your training ground, but how you use the knowledge in a real world where you can start making money. Start on Investopedia, build your skills, and take it to the next level. And that's it.